we've created this world that really is designed to kind of play with your senses. For this project, I think we're interested in creating an environment where the spheres were on one hand fixed, but on another hand loose. So the solution for that was this sort of set grid of the spheres that are elevated in the space in a way that appears static. A visitor or a person moving through the spheres changes that field. The spheres sort of respond.
It starts with drawing with pencil and paper. And usually those ideas are translated into very basic digital models. And then often it will go to a mock-up with real materials.
For us, I'd say the primary part here is that tactile, immersive quality where you can actually physically walk into this environment and feel it envelop you and move around you. Hopefully create something transformational.